Welcome to SaveLifeID, a service that gives you access to your medical information at any time. In this video, we are going to guide you through the easy registration process so you can access your profile online and make any changes you desire. It's for patients that already received their SaveLifeID at the doctor's office. Press the Register button located at the top right of the site. Next, fill in your email address, or you can use your SLID number found on the bottom of your card. Click Register. On the next screen, enter the 6-digit enrollment code you received from the doctor's office to confirm your identity. Enter your year of birth. Choose a password and type it twice. Choose your privacy setting. By not selecting Display All, your medical information will be hidden upon scan until you go through your medical profile and specifically authorize each item you want shown. This includes future updates from automatically displaying. You are totally in control of your information. Scroll down and review the terms of use. Then check the box if you agree. Press Continue Registration. Congratulations! You now have an active online SaveLifeID account that you can access at any time. Having a SaveLifeID is like having your doctor by your side, always.